Hey guys, how's it going? Today I was just going to make a short video. If you have a 2011 to 2016 Toyota Sienna, you're getting any kind of clicking noise when you turn the key. These are some key things to check before you go right into changing the starter. The starter obviously would be the last thing. It's not a bad job on this. Check my videos. I made a series on changing the starter. It's not bad, but you want to check these things first. Obviously, first you want to make sure that your ignition is working correctly. So if you're getting that clicking noise, that means you are getting a signal from here to there, okay? So that's a good thing. Then you want to come around here. You want to check your battery terminals. If you're getting a clicking noise, it could be faulty battery terminals. It could also be a weak or dead battery. Sometimes you'll get a hard click, but it won't be enough juice to crank that starter. So check that. Also on these terminals, you'll notice that it has a separate bolt here for this wire here that runs down to your starter. Make sure this is clean, this contact, and this is tight. So this can be tight, but if this is loose, it won't work. Same thing, obviously make sure that's clean and tight. Sometimes it's best to take these off, clean the internals, spray them down. One more thing too to check is obviously on here you'll see your main fuse box, you'll see here ST, that's the starter. So the starter relay is this purple one. You can't just swap it out with these because they're different relays. So if you think that this starter relay is bad, you want to contact your Toyota dealer or go online and make sure to get another one. It should have a purple casing still. I don't believe that they changed that. Another point to check, obviously, is that your starter is connected correctly. This one has a connector. Somebody's messed with it before and they broke it. They broke the clip on it. So if that's moved its way out or if it's not connected all the way in, you won't have good contact, you won't get a start. And then you want to check your grounds. You want to make sure you got a good ground. The starter's ground to itself, so it's going to have a nut on the end there. It's ground to the body there. But you want to make sure, clean your grounds, clean your contacts. Those are just a few things to check if you are getting any kind of clicking noise. That goes for most vehicles, but this specifically was for a 2011 to 2016 Toyota Sienna. Hope this helps. If you guys are having any issues, let me know. If you want to see anything else, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Don't mind these.